Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Klarna at Walmart easy method step by step clearly. Open your web browser or launch the Walmart app on your device. Browse through the items you want to purchase. Add your chosen items to your cart. Once you're ready to check out, go to your cart. Review your items to ensure everything is correct. Click on the checkout button to proceed. On the payment options page, look for Klarna as a payment method. Select Klarna from the list of options. If you already have a Klarna account, log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information and payment details. Once your Klarna account is set up, return to the checkout page. Choose how you want to pay through Klarna. You might have options like paying in full or through installment plans. Select your preferred payment option. Confirm your purchase and review the details. Once everything looks good, finalize your order. After placing the order, you will receive a confirmation email from Walmart and Klarna. You can track your payment schedule and manage your purchases through the Klarna app. That's it. You have successfully used Klarna at Walmart. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.